Do something guy here again. I'm back on my local river. This time I'm in a different section. This is a section that I've only ever floated once. Conditions on the river today are actually high water, and I'm hoping that I can find at least a class 1, maybe a class 2, but I'm kind of doubtful that I'll find anything more than swifts. We've got lots of headwind today, so my canoe is definitely trying to list back and forth, and I probably will have to pull over and grab a big rock and put up in the nose.
Well, hopefully that's enough weight.
I tell you, this high water, I am cooking. I'm not paddling any more than what it takes to just keep straight with the wind, and I'm moving. With the wind, I'm hugging the right shore at the moment, just trying to kind of stay out of it as best I can. And it is, woohoo! That's a big gust of wind there. Finding a suitable place to stop and get some big rocks is kind of hard right now with it being in high water. Oh, should have went down that way. That looks like fun. Let's take this one. Normal water levels, this would be impassable at best, probably dry most of the year. A couple of Canadian geese up there. I can see some splashing waves up ahead of us. This could be kind of fun. That's a fun little wave train. Nothing too crazy or serious, but fun nonetheless. So I am sitting in the front seat paddling this backwards, but I'm still too far back for the wind that I have. And I'm backwards again. Well, since the wind has blown me facing backwards, I'm going to try and use it to do a front ferry across. I can see a rock part kind of up here, so we'll see if it's got any big enough rocks.
Well, hopefully that's enough weight.
Ah, yeah. Much better. I actually have some control now over the boat. The big gust about took my hat off, and I stayed where I had put it. Well, here's our first major obstacle in the river, and there's lots of room to get around it. Just have a pushy current trying to keep us to that side, but we'll just skirt around the side of it. The mama goose and her goslings over there on the shore. Hopefully the camera will pick that up. Yesterday was pretty hot. Today is like 10 degrees cooler. Just like 82, I think is supposed to be the high today. See if we can whoosh our way through here. All of the braids that had separated have all come back together now, and I'm kind of exposed in a wide open section of the river, and it just got tough paddling into this wind. Well, I'm paddling the last few paddle strokes of this trip. Pretty short, fast trip. A lot of fun to go down a section that I've only ever done once before and get to play a little bit in some high water. Just have a good time being outside. Hopefully you found this entertaining and it inspires you to get out and do something today. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.